All right, out of the box, this comes in the graphic, roll up into one. There's a couple instructions in here. We're gonna go ahead and put the graphic on on the window that I just showed you guys. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we're mocking it up here. We're actually got it in the floor. It's way too large. It's extremely large, but we're just gonna be cutting half of it. We're gonna be 90 by 50. That's all we need. But we want to make sure we get some of the city in there, so it can look like an actual window. So that's what we're probably shooting for. So let's go ahead and begin, and we're gonna try to set up the LED lights as much as possible we can. So I'm gonna do that in a bit. But you guys can see it. It's pretty long, really long. All right, first step, we're gonna do this. We're gonna put a sky, and then we're gonna cover it up on the top too with a cover after. But this is the first step that we're doing. Step one, it goes all the way down, but we just want to use it for like a window kind of thing scenario. So let's go ahead. So I didn't use the whole thing, but I used some of it. You can see the lines a little bit, but I don't really care about the lines. It looks wonderful. I'm actually sitting in my gaming system here, so it could have a backdrop on the city. And this is a perfect thing to do. So this is where a couple air bubbles, but it looks really good. I like it. I'm really impressed with it. I like the border. Unfortunately, I couldn't use the whole thing. I put some LED lights, make it look pretty good. I like it. So far, I really enjoy it. So let's go ahead and clean it up a little bit more. Clean up the air bubbles. And it should be good. So I like the actual... So what do you guys think? The border looks really good. Got a couple bubbles I got to clean up. A couple creases here and there. But it's looking really good. So I like it so far. So let's continue on with the whole thing and clean it up. But I just want you guys to give you a demo. I actually cut it down. Couldn't need the whole thing. I just needed some of it. It's a little difficult getting the creases out. It takes two people to do it. You cannot do this by yourself. It's very difficult to put up by yourself. So if you're going to buy something like this, make sure you got some extra help.